Hi guys, and welcome to FXM. We'll continue our market update. So we're gonna have this live. So we can see the bound index that bounced from here. Okay guys, this was expected. And if you look at the bound, that was the franc, sorry if I said the bound. Okay, I meant to say the franc index, Swiss franc index. And if you look at the bound index, it's fallen also, did bounce from here. There is a chance this will continue down, but there is a small chance this will bounce from here and go up. But I think the bigger probability is this is gonna fall down and crash down, guys. Okay, so bigger chance we can see this one coming down. Okay, so watch out. So bound franc possibly could be a potential sell. You can see the bound is really weak and franc super strong. So bound franc is the potential sell. I would avoid dollar franc. It's probably coming down also, but I would avoid this one because we expect the dollar index to start reversing at some time. You can see. However, it's going down now. It's probably gold is going up, guys. Probably gold is a good buy. If you look at the gold, probably flying, probably. It's okay, it did bounce from here, but it's coming back down. This is the dollar. Means the stock market's flying up, if this is the case. Okay, and do really wanna have this now. Yeah, this looks like it's gonna make a correction. So this did fall after. It did light us a little bit. So guys, DAX possibly will be a sell from here, but a risky sell. It's a correction wave, so watch out for this. So okay, DAX is possibly a good sell as a correction. What does this mean is this is risky. Okay, so this may be coming down from here, maybe. Okay, all the way down to here, maybe if they didn't keep injecting money today. If the central bank will inject more money, then this is gonna continue to fly up. The long term is 14,000. So what we are talking about here, just a small correction to the downside in a really big strong uptrend. Hi Mukesh, how are you, buddy? Hi Hussam. Hi Rain. Hi Armin. Steven, how's it going? Oil, we said oil only buy longer term, okay? Welcome, Osman. Hi, Jara. Now we expect a correction down, then buy. You can avoid the sell, then later on you can join the buy. The sell is risky, but it's possible. Gold, yeah, medium term is down, but you still can see one wave up if the stock and gold, if the stock and dollar index. So if the stock is gonna go down, dollar index is gonna go down, the gold is gonna go up. Hi Oli, I'm good, thank you, man. Hi Abidan, assalamu alaikum. Okay guys, so let's look at the indexes. Japanese index potentially will reverse. This means that JPY pairs may be coming down this week as a correction, and that's going with our forecast for stock to have a correction. How it did fly here is super crazy, guys, super fast. You can see really fast. So really this need to go sideways or come down as a correction. So don't buy any more JPY pairs. Possibly will go down, and possibly Japanese bound Japanese yen will come down, guys. So watch out, this is a start of a reverse right here. Keep the eye on all the JPY pairs, possibly good sell. Australian, New Zealand possibly, and pound are the best, and maybe also euro, but avoid USD, avoid Canadian yen or Japanese yen. Okay, avoid those two. Also franc yen, probably avoid it. You can see all of the GBY pairs coming down except franc, maybe CHF, GBY will go up. Do not trade this pair now. Canadian index is not moving right there as the market is having a correction, so we expect Canadian to slightly come down. Then after this will go up. If gold is going to fill the gap, yeah, gold probably is going 55. Mr. Khoza is asking here about EuroCAD. EuroCAD is a sell, continuous sell. Has 3 more 100 pips to go down. Euro bound, no, avoid euro bound, it's probably gonna range. If you want to sell bound, sell it against franc or dollar, but franc for now. USD CE K, probably wait to buy because the dollar index is coming down now, so really wait to buy, and it's too late to sell anything against USD. Bound USD, it's we will be waiting to sell, okay? Bound USD, the cable, we will be waiting to sell. Don't buy it. If we look at the cable right here, we're waiting to sell either from here or there. So the bound index is coming down, but at the same time the dollar is not reversing yet. So possibly one push up, then if we see the dollar index start getting strength, then we're gonna be selling. This can reverse from here from higher place, but for now what is smart money is bound franc. As you can see, see the bound index did bounce a lot from here, but you can see the franc index CHF is going up right here a little bit, so possibly we can see this continue to go up as in a correction wave. Then bound franc will be pushing lower and lower, guys. Okay, let's move this AUD CAD, is useless. Okay, see this bound franc, it did reverse here. So really, if you want to take a sell here and your stop loss at top here or something, there is a potential for this wave to continue down. There is a potential, okay guys. When it's coming down, probably you can, if it does come down, it can come down all the way to this trend line here. So if it does come down, this is a potential area to come to. Okay, you guys can see this reverse line. Let me close some of the charts because this makes my slow laptop slower. Okay, Australian Japanese yen, guys, started a nice candle right here, reversal candle. Okay, watch out, keep the eye on this one. Like bang, right here. We need to come to this yellow trend line. Do you guys see this trend line, yellow, right here? We're probably gonna come here. Australian index is way overbought, and Japanese index is oversold. Stock market's way overbought, so probably you need a correction. And we talked about this and how this is a garbage, just like that, should have reversed. So now you guys, I would recommend selling AUD JPY, New Zealand JPY, okay? 76. Don't exceed 2% for any trade risk wise. Please do not exceed 2% risk wise for any trade. So we're gonna put here, say AUD JPY 76.21. Okay guys, okay, and we target 73. Probably at 73 we can buy again. Okay, New Zealand Japanese yen is probably same story, but because I don't want to open too many charts, I will close this one. USDs are pound franc. We already opened pound franc. You guys can see pound franc is really nice sell. It's coming down, so watch out on this one. Please don't exceed 2% for any trade, just in case you open 3, 4, one of them go wrong, other ones. The gold is falling down, guys, now, so if you want to join this fall, it's okay, I guess. Stop loss is right here. See guys, what's gonna probably happen now is the dollar is gonna reverse, because I can see the gold is coming down and I can see the stock is coming down, and that does not make sense. So this indicates to me the dollar index is gonna reverse very soon. So keep the eye on the dollar. Dollar is gonna reverse very soon. Hey guys, DAX possibly a good correction sell, but it's risky, okay? You have to know that this is risky because we're very strong uptrend, but potentially this can come down in correction wave. Same thing here for Dow and SPX. So I'm just gonna close this SPX one. Also Bitcoin is probably gonna come down a little bit. I'm gonna close that one. Another DAX, close. Euro Australian. Okay guys, watch out, Euro Australian potentially will go up a little bit, correction wave, so keep the eye on the Euro Australian, it may be going up. So US crude is going with forecast here guys, is having a correction. We take this off. You guys see it's coming down with the forecast, nice. This forecast from the weekly forecast, so we expect it to come down to, let's say, 38 minimum plus or minus. So okay, this area, then possibly we're gonna reverse. And we said do not sell this down wave, because this is a correction down wave. Wait to come down and relax. Then we're gonna take a nice buy. I hope this is clear. It's crystal clear, diamond clear, you know. Doesn't matter, just hope that's clear. If we go look at what's going on in the market, and that's gonna give you indication the CAD is gonna be weak a little bit. So you can see here the bound index is potentially, we'll see if it's gonna continue being under pressure. Bound Japanese yen, here's Lami's asking. Hi Lami. Let's asking bound Japanese yen, possibly is a sell, okay guys? But don't go sell bound franc, bound Japanese yen, bound dollar, bound everything. Just take one sell. But this will depend if the stock market is gonna come down or not. If the stock market is gonna come down and the bound index is gonna come down, then bound Japanese yen is gonna be really nice sell. If one of them is coming down, then it's gonna just be a slow sell. Okay, if it does happen in the bound reverse and the stock market go up, then unfortunately bound Japanese yen is gonna go up. I don't think this is the case, but just in case it does happen, so you know. You're welcome, Mr. Khuza. Othman saying thank you, you're welcome. Here, Ala is saying hello, hi. Mr. Mazhar saying Euro Australian. Euro Australian is possibly a buy, Mazhar, okay? Euro Australian, because we expect the Australian index to have correction and the euro to actually we expect the euro to come down, but we expect the Australian to be slower than the euro. That's why Euro Australian maybe go down, not impulsive, it's correction wave. Okay guys, so this is important. We're just gonna talk about this for a minute. Then I think, yeah, because USD GPY now. Okay guys, see all the GPY pairs, don't buy any of them. Don't buy any of them. This may go further down if the dollar index will continue down. This may go down all the way, but I will not sell this one. Okay, avoid this sell. If you wanna sell, probably Australia, New Zealand, better sell. So avoid the USD and the CAD Japanese yen. However, we still expect we want to take the buy from down here or there, you know. This will be better. So if I'm just gonna take this chart, I'm gonna put Euro Australian. Euro Japanese yen, maybe will be a sell, guys. Okay, watch out on this one. If it does come down, then we're gonna be looking at 120.30 as a target. Just this trend line to go with it. It's because it's yellow on the background. Yellow is not very clear. See, guys, this yellow trend line. So possibly we can see the Euro Japanese yen, as long as this resistance is not broken. We can see it coming down right here. Okay, so you keep the eye on this one. If the stock market is going to do correction, this possibly is going to be a sell. So EuroCAD, guys, we talked about last week, and we said it's gonna come really fast with the news, then it's just gonna keep coming down slowly, dragging all the way down to the end of this channel. You guys remember this one, right? So if you guys, some of you on the sell from the top here from last week video, you probably should continue, but watch out, this is gonna go in this ugly channel like this, which is not gonna be really fast, but possibly is gonna continue going down like this. Okay, and that's why the target was like here. We said maybe it will go up, push up a little bit, then come down. So that's why it's gonna take much time. See here how it takes much time after a big fall. Probably same scenario is gonna happen. May you get even one up, but anyway, you just join the sell, stay in the sell. This is gonna continue coming down. We talked about this. However, you may see the Euro Australian going up a little bit. At the same time, you know, EuroCAD is coming down a little bit. So for indexes, you can see dollar is really weak. Do not sell the dollar. Dollar is gonna reverse, and pound is really weak. So we said pound possibly against franc or Japanese yen is a possible sell. Okay, after this big candle, you know, you can see it's stable a little bit, but it can come down after some time. USD CAD, you guys remember when you said this from 1.41 is crashed 800 pips or 750 from that price. So really, if you swing a trade and you be patient enough, you're gonna be making good money. If you take 50 pips and you get out of the trade, probably you're gonna be having a rough time. So this one you can't really sell from here. You wait. If this scenario will happen and this will go up another 150 pips or something, then you can sell it. Otherwise, don't trade it. It's too late. Zero here saying thanks. You're welcome. Amy saying thanks. You're most welcome. Omar here, hi. Landel saying New Zealand JPY good sell. Yes, Landel, if the stock market will do a correction, then Australia, New Zealand, the Japanese yen will be a good sell. Nusuba here saying love it. Mr. Othman saying the sound of the music is loud. Oh yeah, it's probably loud. I forgot to put it down. Okay, here, I put it down. Just I put it down because I'm in a public place. I put it up because I'm in a public place, and you guys get a lot of background, so that's kind of equal the background sound. Mr. Mossad here, or Alia here saying appreciate your offer. Thank you, most welcome. Say may God bless you. You too. Hello. Mr. Tamim saying thanks a lot. You're most welcome, Mr. Tamim. Cool, thanks. Okay, guys, so you get the questions right here. So just looking at the market, you really want to take one risk, guys. If you're going to take Euro Japanese yen, there is no point of selling New Zealand Japanese yen, Australian Japanese yen, pound Japanese yen. Just take one risk, because really, if you trade everything against Japanese yen, you're taking almost the same risk but in different levels. So really, if you're gonna trade Euro Japanese yen, don't keep selling everything else against the yen. Just take one risk only. Pound New Zealand here. Watch out, guys. This may reverse up a little bit. This need one wave up here. This is terrible. Okay, so pound New Zealand. If the stock market is gonna come down and New Zealand index is gonna be under so much pressure, and that's possible. I'm not saying that's what's gonna happen, but this New Zealand is overbought a lot, and it did go crazy with the See, you can see this big run like this. It can come down or it can make stupid and just keep moving slowly up and up like this, which is gonna come down sooner or later, but it keeps crawling. See how it's crawling against the trend line. Then at once last week, so much money injected to the economy from central banks. You can see this shape right here. If the New Zealand index is gonna come down, guys, and the bond index is going down slowly or going ranging or going down, this is gonna be a good sell bond, a good buy bond New Zealand. But just something to keep the eye in, okay, guys. So this is something also to keep the eye in. It's possible. Okay, guys, so this is something to keep the eye on here. So you guys keep the eye in the pound New Zealand. Could be a buy in pound franc, could be a sell. So keep the eye on this one. So for GBY pairs, I would take only for now the Australian sell, and I'll be happy with this one. You know, looks like it's gonna break down here and it's gonna reverse. I'll be looking at target at here 73 level, so possibly 400, 300 pips of all is possible. It's not too far actually. Okay, guys. So Australian Japanese yen, guys, here is already running 3 pips. So congratulations, you're gonna be rich. Watch out, as I said, this Euro CAD is gonna be coming down slow, guys. Maybe even go one move up. So it's gonna come down sooner or later, but just to let you know. Watch out, USDs are maybe breaking to the upside soon. But better than this one is probably USD Turkish lira is going up. Watch out, guys, if the stock is gonna crash, gold is gonna go up. So watch out about this trick. I'm not saying that's what's gonna happen. If the stock market crash, then this is gonna go up. So watch out from this one. It may not be the best to sell. See, the Dow is just to break into the upside non-stop. So I would not buy the Dow here at that. This is the top of the channel, guys. And it's breaking right here. It's probably gonna continue up, but this is not the best area to enter a buy at all. Okay, and if this will continue up, then gold is gonna be coming down, and then Australian is not gonna be coming down slow. So really, this is not what we want to see. We want to see it coming down as a correction. وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. الحمد لله. وعليكم السلام عمر. Pound dollar, yes, Mr. Tony, is possibly deep correction. Yes, you're right. Deep correction is or a reversal, because you know the pound is global trend is a downtrend. So really, this could be just was a big upwave spike because the dollar index was really weak, That's why you can see the pound dollar was coming down, was going up like crazy. At the same time, pound New Zealand was coming down, because New Zealand was really strong with the stock market, but dollar was really weak and sold off. So that's why pound dollar last week was pound dollar was going up. At the same time, pound New Zealand is coming down. So this week, what really want to see is the opposite, but it's not happening yet. So stock market just keeps pushing up. The Feds are injecting more money and more money, guys. So watch out for this. Mr. Omar here is asking about euro dollar. Euro dollar is a sell, guys. Euro dollar should be trading at 1.06 or 5. So it's like 700 over bips overvalued. So the euro dollar is about 600 bips overvalued. So pay attention to this one. So this is pushing up, you guys. This is not the best buy, but if you want to enter a buy, you must use a stop loss, because this is due to a big correction, but it's not happening. Okay, if you want to enter then your stop loss probably should be below this area right here. I would not recommend this one because I wanted to see a correction, so risk to reward and we get a high momentum. This is just crazy. The Feds are just injecting money and more money to the economy just to, this is all that is manipulated and fake movement. Money injected does not represent real actual value on the market. This is just like a bubble, but this bubble is going to continue till after the USA election. Okay, guys, so this bubble is going to continue till after the US election. So maybe we're going to continue buying stock and indices and stuff till November, and maybe in November, December, or January next year, February, we're gonna get a big crash at that time. So keep the eye on this, something that this need to continue going up till after the election. So just to give a feeling to the American citizen that the economy is doing really good and that they should vote for the current president to run again, which there's so many reports saying that the American voters, they not gonna vote for him. But let's see what happens. We don't really care about who's gonna win, who's not gonna win. This is internal for each country. What we're talking about, the political effect in our analysis, that's all. Okay, like people live in a democracy, so majority will make the move, not us. So anyway, so if you guys are gonna take a buy from here, which I don't recommend, then your stop loss must be down here, because this is risky. It may come down as a correction all the way down, which doesn't look like it's gonna happen, but it's chance. So, but yeah, this possibly looks like it's gonna, from this momentum, it's crazy. From this momentum, it looks like we're gonna go 27,700 soon, which is the second level we have right here. What we really wanted to see, we wanted to see one push down, then after this have momentum to go up. This will look better, and also in technical analysis, but it doesn't look like it's happening. It keeps breaking up. So money injected, too much investment. Those big hedge funded and exchange trading funds and stuff, they have automatic systems, and the system saying just keep buying and buying. There is no selling or no correction, or don't even close your positions. The system saying just buy. So the computer saying just buy more and buy more. Everything is computerized now with those big hedge funds. There is no human interference. So that's probably why. Besides, the Feds are buying also. So crazy. The market is not yet in a correction. The market will be in a correction mode if the stock market coming down, but the stock market is not coming down. It's not continuing. It's a trend. So there is no correction yet. It should have a correction, but it's not going in a correction. Oh, we have Samson here, still holding the EuroCAD from Friday. Oh man, that's good. Nice. I didn't even hold mine, but I know it's coming down. Beautiful, man, beautiful. Nice. See, this is patience, guys. We have Samson here saying he's still holding his EuroCAD sell from last Friday, because we said it's gonna continue coming down also and stuff, and he did his own analysis, that's the good stuff, guys. That's good. Okay, euro dollar, guys. Here, if you look at the chart, this may have one push up. Really not interested in this one. This is gonna come down, you guys. So only sell here. Only sell. There is no buy. Even if it's gonna go 1.15, You know, even if it's gonna go 100, 200 pips, you should be ready to sell again. But the wave here is never buy this one at that price. Dollar index is crushed so bad. However, if the Fed's announced negative interest rate, it may send the dollar even further down. So euro dollar may be going to 1.15. This is, it's not most likely to happen, but it's possible, okay? The dollar index is 1.74 for the month, which is a huge amount. Spread is really small, 0.1. Pound Japanese yen is a sell, looks good for a sell. Yeah, patience is a key, so let's look at the pound Japanese yen, guys. Just gonna move USD CAD now because I don't think there's money in it. It's gonna be slow. So virtual pound GBPUSD. Why does this? Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, for sure. Nice. We gave a sell signal in our VIB at 139, which is running good now. We should probably sell again. So guys, if you want to download any of our systems available on the website www.fxmarketstrategy. So if you want to subscribe to any of the plans and join our systems and stuff, so you guys are welcome by all means. Yeah, see pound Japanese yen, you guys start showing a reversal signals from here, and possibly we can come all the way down here easy. Okay guys, but what's so funny, the stock market is going up, but the JPY is not that strong. This market is awkward today. So GBPUSD is strong, like it should be in the left side here if the stock market is gonna come down. This doesn't make sense. The market doesn't make sense, guys. If the franc as a safe haven is going up and Japanese yen as a safe haven going up, and then you should say Australian, New Zealand, Canadian to the right side here, then the stock market should be coming down. This is not happening. There is something funny, fishy in the market, okay? Keep the eye in this one. There's something fishy in the market. The gold is gonna have a strong move today. Watch out. So be aware of the gold. That probably is gonna be risky a little bit. Possibly what's happening here, the investors also are excited about the Fed's plans about pushing for more money to the economy, okay? So maybe that's why it's pushing up and up, but really I will not buy this one. I will wait. We'll see if it does come down or not. If you have a longer term, from down 20,000 or something, just leave it. This is gonna go 31,000. But if you're just trading for now, I can see this is coming down from here. So this area right here, this should come down. And what's happening here, guys? See what's happening here. Me saying the Japanese yen and CHF at the left side, this telling me the stock market should be coming down, but stock market's pushing up. So there's something wrong in the market. This is not the market you want to see and trade probably. There is either the stock is gonna come down, or franc and Japanese yen, they need to shift to the right side. One of the two have to happen. So something is not lining up, you know. Excuse me, guys. So franc, pound, Japanese yen, both of them are probably a good sell. So what is pound yen? And hopefully next week or this week, at the end of this week, yeah, see guys, pound yen is nice. So nice, it's going nice. It did fall even 10 bips since we talked about this one. Nice for whoever reminded us. Thank you, gentlemen. So you guys can see the pound here. Okay, so you can see the pound, the Japanese yen falling down right here. And you can see in our system, ABC, and that's the beautiful thing about having a system. You can see you get out of this buy, and now you take a sell, you put your stop loss. I just remove the stop loss areas. It's gonna show up here because this is, for till now this is read as a correction, but once the cloud is gonna come below the trend line is gonna turn red, then you're gonna get an arrow down here, then there's gonna be official sell. But really we did sell from the top here, so guys your stop loss should be somewhere here. But this potentially is going to be a sell. Even in the title of today forecast, the title is bound franc is going to be as good as bound dollar. So really you're saying the bound Japanese yen, bound franc, bound dollar, possibly, as we said in the weekly forecast, if you're going to sell the bound, sell it against dollar, Japanese yen, or franc. So far Japanese yen and franc are is okay, showing a reversal signs, and then we're waiting for the dollar. But watch out, if the Feds announce negative rates, the dollar is going to be really weak. So you guys don't get you know, in this fundamental stuff. If you're going to take like euro dollar sell, you should be small in lot size, just in case if it does go up 150 pips to 1.1450, you'll be able to sell again. It's gonna come down sooner or later, but you just, this fundamental move, it may hit you. Just to be careful. Australian, Japanese yen, mashallah, alhamdulillah, it's nice. Salam Morten, how are you? Lam is saying EuroCAD was my first trade from you. Awesome, I'm still holding. Good entry to an Australian Japanese yen just now. Perfect, Lamy. If you'd like to join us on our website to download the systems and join our group, you are most welcome. It's available on the website. Olo, previous message, patience is okay. So that's true. Patience is the most important thing, you guys. Patience and more patience. Probably one of the most important things. Just watch out. You always want to risk only 1 to 2%. So if you risk 2% or even 1%, if you do risk only 1%, it means you need 100 trades to double your account, and that's possible, guys. It's gonna take a little bit of time, but you can do it within the year if you trade safe. So if you actually get 130 trades or 140 trades and 40 go wrong and 100 go right, then you're gonna be in doubling your account within a year. But the problem is we want to double our account within a day, and that's the only problem. That's 70% of people who trade in our retail field, then they end up in loss. The main reason is risk management. Risk management is not the analysis. Most of them go correct with the trend and everything and good entry. And once you just get 1 or 2 candles against you, because brokers or the market maker, they want to take the stop loss out, then you're gonna get out or you're gonna hit stop loss. Also, the theory for stop loss, if you can imagine, they move this stop loss. I'm gonna type it here, okay? So if they rename stop loss to make it a loss take. Okay, guys. So really in this market you want to be only in 1 or 2 trades, because the market is very, very volatile, and 1 or 2 trades is more than enough, guys. Okay, don't trade too much. Then if they rename take profit and change the name to profit cut. You know, if brokers, they change the name from stop loss to loss take and rename the take profit to profit cut, your trading style will change and you're gonna be a swing trader. You're gonna be having a lot of patience and using a much smaller lot size, and you're gonna let the profit run, and you're gonna be smart in the loss. You're not gonna take it, but what you're gonna do, you're gonna learn how to do smart hedge. Smart hedge is just like euro dollar with euro Japanese yen. Euro dollar is going up, you buy it, start going down, then you go sell euro Japanese yen, then you hedge it. Smart hedge. Okay, so you're gonna learn the new ways to trade, and you're gonna stop taking losses, and you're gonna stop cutting your profit early. Okay, you're gonna be going for profit cut. No, you're not gonna cut the profit, you're gonna let it run. And that's most of us do. We cut the profit too early. Okay, we are very, very patient with the loss, and that's fine. Being patient with your losses, just manage well. If you have to do hedges sometimes, learn if you want. Okay, if you don't know how, then don't be too much in the risks. Use a small lot size, and you can be patient in losses. But please be patient with profit also. Don't cut profit. Okay, don't cut the profit. Let it run. So what they call it take profit, it's actually profit cut. It's not a take profit. Take profit after 10, 15, 20 bips in a trend that has the potential to go 1,000 bips. You're cutting your profit, and you're given a higher chance for your losses to run. So that's some terminology really, if you keep the eye on, will be worth something, you guys. Okay, so this is the kind of signals you guys get from the system. The beautiful buy was here. This system does not repaint, okay, and it's showing you the correction wave. So really, once you get a beautiful run like this, you get out. It did give you a continuation here. I just moved the re-entry signal, but you can go here, turn them on like that. Then you can see small arrows start to show up right here. You guys see this arrow? So this is a continuation, and that one right here was one like this. Okay, then here probably you're gonna get, after some time, you're gonna get an arrow right here. So this has a potential to come down, especially if the stock market is gonna do correction, which looks like it's happening, guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna move this to so that was the previous buy right here. So really what we want to see a correction down here to come down. Okay, guys, so really we want to see a correction down here like this, then after this will go up. So this is something to keep the eye on. You can see the Dow is having a big candle going down. So in the 15-minute time frame here, we need a correction. It's either gonna come or not, but this probably is gonna make all the GPY pairs coming down really nice. So that's something to keep an eye on, guys. Watch on the gold, maybe reversal from here if the stock market is gonna come down, guys. Okay, so that's why I said this is tricky. We expected this to indeed come a little bit with this trend line. Now it's maybe reversing up, so watch out. If this scenario will happen, then pound Japanese yen and pound franc are probably gonna continue to be a good sell. See, the pound is reversing back down here, so possibly pound franc is gonna continue to be a good sell, guys. Look at this nice candles, beautiful. So if we put our trading system, which makes life easy, this is the kind of signal really want to take and just have peace of mind where you put your stop loss and you wait for it to run down. So pound franc. Okay, guys, market is going a little bit as expected now, which is fine. We have mentioned the weekly forecast to sell pound franc, pound Japanese yen, pound dollar. So it's beautiful, guys. If you did sell from here with the weekly forecast, that was really nice. And the previous week to that, we said buy the pound. So that was really nice forecast going up, and also nice one coming down. So if you guys don't go pound yen and Australian yen, I would go selling pound franc and Australian Japanese yen like that. And you guys, New York time is the best time to trade. Other than that, it's mostly useless. Even in London, you don't get really such good trends and stuff most of the time. The best trades always in New York time, and again always get really strong trend. Even in London time, the trend sucks a little bit sometimes. So really, if I would be running a company, I would be only trading in New York time and just avoid all the other markets. Okay, that's where all the money is. Euro bound, so if the euro is gonna probably euro bound is probably gonna range slightly maybe up. I would avoid euro bound. So yeah, I would buy euro against Australian. I would not buy euro against the pound. Okay guys, so I would be buying the euro against the Australian. I would not be buying it against the pound, and let's see why. Okay guys, this is beautiful. So you can see the franc is really strong and Japanese yen really strong. This is gonna give me indication DAX and Dow are gonna crash. So guys, keep the eye on DAX and Dow. They're probably gonna crash. Okay, and I want to see New Zealand Canadian also come to the right side here. Maybe they cut at the middle. Then the euro is gonna shift to the left side here. So this is what we expect. We want to see the euro shifting to the left, New Zealand shifting to the right, Canadian and pound stay at the middle right here. So that's why pound, franc, pound, Japanese yen are going to be really good sells. Australian Japanese yen is going to crash. So guys, Australian Japanese yen is going to crash. Bang. See, oh my goodness. Look at this beautiful money. Nice, beautiful money. We catch right at the top, guys. Like bang on. This does not happen a lot. Just this is like the EuroCAD last week. It's going good. Okay, it's beautiful, guys. Beautiful. You can see this is a small trend line. We said all this was garbage, overvalued by money injection, but really in the MACD this. So guys, if we put our system here, just let me do some marketing to our company. Only. Here we go, guys. See how my marketing style, because I'm in charge of the marketing for the company. Okay. So see, this guys is possibly a really nice sell. Okay, bang here, target 73. So 300 bips of fall is expected. So you guys, we were waiting for this actually from kind of middle last week, from this area, but it didn't happen. It did get this push. So you can see the stock market was going really crazy. Japanese trend is really weak. Australian is just like you're going uphill, and this is the very last of it. It's just dying to get more power and acceleration to the top side. Is not happening. Market has certain methodology and traders, and they have psychology. Once you get so much profit, you need to take some profit. So that's why it needs this push down. It needs it. You can see the trend line was really green, start to turn in red right here. So this is the system, is ABC, Advanced Profit Cloud. It's really good system, guys. So if you want to join our company, this system, once you subscribe to any of the plans, then you're gonna have access to everything. You're gonna have access to the market scanner, which is this one, which is gonna tell you where the smart money is. So our secret in trading forex, or we want the highest volatility over the short period of time. You focus in the intraday most of the times. Very little times we're gonna carry trades over 1 or 2 weeks. If really strong trend is expected with the forecast for some fundamental reasons. Otherwise, we're gonna be actually taking in New York time, intraday trades. You get 150 trades in 2 currencies or something, so you get like 200 bips or something. Then you get out. Then the next day you can find where the smart money is, and you just join the big guys. Okay, that's why we have this market scanner, to teach you how to join the big guys. So now the money is in the Australian Japanese yen, pound Japanese yen, pound franc. So really want to avoid everything else. We want to take this, we want to take it a sell. If you don't have a system, you're a trend follower only, you may be going to buy Australian Japanese yen because the trend is going up, and that will not be smart. So the trend is your friend till a point, then becomes your worst enemy. So the trend is your friend to a point. After that point, you need to to get away from this friend, because this friend is going to be poison for you. So that just exactly what's happened with Australian Japanese yen. So not everything is taught in this field is correct, and absolutely without any comment. There is some hidden comments. So trend is not your friend by this absolute general meaning. It's your friend to a certain point, which is like Australian Japanese yen, Australian franc, right now. You can see a huge reverse. Like Japanese yen index, we talked about this, guys, because it did fly so fast right here. You can see it's probably crashing. It's like bang. You look at this, guys. We talked about this in the weekly forecast. Look at this beautiful, beautiful bounce from here. We talked about this in the weekly forecast. We mentioned this is gonna probably come down correctionally, and the stock market, it needs it. Technical analysis, it needs this move. It needs it. Psychologically, it's psychology. It's false psychology, guys. If you did buy from here, you made so much money. You need to close this long and you need to get out. That's why this Japanese yen is coming down. The same time, probably Australian index. Okay, guys. Australian index starts coming down from here also, guys. This is black, probably you don't see it too much. See, guys, Australian index start coming down here. That's beautiful. That we want to see. You want to see it coming all the way down. With Japanese yen, it also is coming down, which means it's going up because it's a reverse. We have mentioned this like 2,000 times. So this will be a really nice momentum and trend. How did I know this? From our market scanner, guys. This is like, you can't put enough value for this market scanner. It's made with like quantitative analysis methodology. So this following the smart guys, how they think and how they act. This is volume spread analysis market scanner. It will scan all the time the market and tell you where the money is moving, so you can follow smart money and take really smart actions on time. You will not be late. This is not a lagging indicator. It's instant. It will give you a prediction also of the future. So I will not call it lagging by any means, because this is giving you a current situation. It's not something like a moving average 200. By the you wait till you do intersection with this one, then you're actually 300 bips away. Once you start to get into the buy, it will reverse. Of course, it's too late. It's lagging indicator. See, guys, what I want to see now, New Zealand, which is here, I want to see it to go all the way to the right side and come beside the Australian. This will give me a good indication the stock market is gonna be crashing. See, guys, here. This will give me indication this possibly will gonna come down. Pound yen is going really nice, and probably also Australian Japanese yen. Okay, guys, I'm gonna read some of the comments here. Sorry about that. Yeah. Sorry about this. Oh, good point. Sorry, guys, the chart was off to the screen. I just read Andrew's comment right now, so I fixed it. Thanks, Andrew. So Thangas is unlucky because he lives in Australia. I don't know if so many people agree with you. So much people would love to live in Australia, but Mr. Sandeep here saying that what do you think about euro dollar and pound dollar? So don't sell both of them, just to sell one. I would probably better to sell pound Japanese yen or pound franc, because dollar we are waiting for some fundamental news from the central bank, and if Mr. Powell is gonna announce negative interest rate, the dollar is gonna go down, deep down. So we're not gonna join the sell, but just to let you know, there is a chance euro dollar may go up to 1.15. So take one small sell from here and wait. If it does go up with the news to another 150 pips or so up, then you're gonna be ready to sell again. If this does not make sense to you or is not your trading style, so avoid it. Don't buy it and don't sell it. Wait, if the news are negative, then you can make a sell limit at 1.14, 1.1450 area, then join the sell from there if the news is negative in the dollar. Okay, hope this will answer your question. Yeah, pound dollar also the same scenario. So I said that it's better to sell pound Japanese yen or pound franc. Okay, bro, I just have to delete this. Thanks, Andrew. Yeah, thank you for you just giving me the comment about this. I use this OBS. I don't know if this is the best. It's free, but I don't think it's the best. And I don't know, maybe in the future I subscribe to Zoom paid plans, but for now this is enough. It works good also, just I need a little bit faster internet and a faster laptop, but it does the trick so far. Okay guys, this beautiful pound Japanese yen and Australian Japanese yen crash. Nice guys, this is nice. This is nice. There's no much to be said about this. We're lucky. Thanks God. Okay guys, excuse me, I'll go for about 10 minutes, then I'll be back. So I will leave the chart open for you guys here to kind of watch it, if you like, you know. I will be back in a bit to update you guys, and or we can see it together. Let's not say updated, because now everybody is like know what's going on. We're gonna see what happened to this trade, Australian Japanese yen and pound Japanese yen, and we're gonna focus a little bit more on it. Okay guys, I'll be back. I'll put the music a little bit higher, so if you get some background sound or something, I'm really outside in the public area, so you guys, if you get some noise, excuse me for this, that's not me. Okay guys, thank you. Bye for now. I'll be back in 10 minutes or so.
اول ما اروح عليه بقى في المطار. والله يطلع.
Hi guys. So we just had a nice break. So Australian JPY did break to the downside here. Probably the stock market is going down. Okay guys, the market may be waiting for the Fed's news. They're gonna see how the Feds are gonna move, whether they're gonna push more money to the economy or it's gonna come down. Watch out, this is risky price to buy without the previous correction, so the Dow it needs a little bit of correction. So guys, here this is a previous top, and you can see this supported too much by the Feds. At this level we may get one correction wave down. Okay, so watch out this one. If you're gonna buy, just move your stop in case the Feds are gonna announce continuous free money. Yeah, of course it's risky to sell, because if you take a down wave, you know it's only correction, it's not long term. So watch out. Okay, so maybe having a wave like this, then after that we take to the 31,000 level. So this may happen guys, okay? So the Dow may be reversing from this level right here. I'm not saying 100% to happen, but maybe. Okay, so we may see something like this. And probably it's gonna come to this level, which is 20, let's say 25,700 or something. So maybe getting 1,200 points fall as a correction. If you're gonna sell this one, you just have to know you're still in a correction wave in a strong bullish uptrend, so you know the risk. Okay, we did give this buy signal last week. It was really previous 2 weeks was really nice. So now we can see just a correction coming down. So yeah, don't buy this one right here. It's too dangerous to buy. This is too bad to buy. So wait, today maybe just a manipulation of the market. So they're just gonna make it looks like it's going up. But what's still in May, this is not right, is Japanese yen. Japanese yen is breaking down here. So when I see Japanese yen is going down and the stock market is going up, you know this manipulation. Okay guys, so this market is right now is kind of just investors are waiting to see the action of the Feds, so they can still dump the Dow and the DAX and stuff, mostly the Dow, or they're gonna hold it. So this is something to keep an eye on. Really, if you have a long position, you can take profit and wait. You wait a correction, then you go long again. But this is not the best to buy, not the best area. This is too away from here. This needs to come down as technical analysis. This was really nice breaking down here, so that's beautiful. Let's see some of the more questions here guys. So Mr. Morton here is asking, euro dollar good sell. Euro dollar is a good sell, but you have to know if the Feds are gonna announce negative interest rates, this is gonna make the dollar really weak. Then in this case euro dollar is gonna go 1.15, but after that it's gonna come down. So it's a good sell, but there is a chance you still get 150 pips up move with fundamental news. If you are ready to take this risk and sell it now and sell it later, by all means. If you don't want to take that risk, then probably it's better to sell, let's say, Australian Japanese yen or pound Japanese yen, where the money is now. Or you wait at the news time. If you see it's coming down, just head it with a sell. If it does go up 100 pips, 150 pips, then sell the top price, one trade. So it's your choice. If you want to divide your risk to 2 trades, take one now and one if it does go up. This also an option, so it's all your choice. I hope the best in that one. Morton was asking the SPX and the Dow, so just the same thing. The money is gonna be moving not today after with the news. so just avoid it for now. It needs technical analysis. It needs a correction to the downside. The JPY coming down and franc is being strong. So with the Japanese yen index is being strong and franc index is even being strong, it's giving me indication stock market needs a correction and it should be coming, but maybe late today, maybe tomorrow, maybe after tomorrow, like that. The target, Dave is asking guys here what's the target in pound Japanese yen. Please, one of you guys, you can answer this question as a teamwork. You know, we can make a teamwork. So you guys, EuroCAD is going with the channel we put here. It may break a little bit to the downside if the Euro index is gonna crash faster, but really, I don't expect a super crash. Look at this Euro index, you guys. It's crashing so bad. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Nice. That's why you said the Euro is gonna crash from last week. This area. If you guys remember the live forecast, and we put a small square, and we said Euro is gonna start to reversing from here, then you're gonna be with us understanding what's happening right here. You can see the Euro just crashing. Nice. Okay, it's gonna break this in the weekly forecast. Also, we said it's gonna break this down here, and it's gonna go all the way down along with this one here. Correct, guys? It's not gonna rebound from here. I think if it does bounce, it's gonna be bounced from this trend line, not from that one. So Euro is really crashing. Probably Euro against Japanese yen is also, we mentioned this one, possibly a good sell, guys, about at the beginning of this one. I removed it, but I think Euro Japanese yen is here. Here, guys, look at this beautiful sell. Nice, huh? It's beautiful, guys. The analysis is going amazing today. Beautiful, beautiful. I don't know if this background is too bright or it's clear, but it's beautiful, guys. You guys, that's why a lot of people lose money in the market, because they don't have the tools. If you don't have the tools, things are going to be really simplified and easy. So you know Japanese yen is really strong, you know Euro kind of weak, so you would sell the Euro against Japanese yen, you would sell Australian against Japanese yen. You would come here and the system will tell you what to buy and what to sell. Really super easy. So this is a tool each one must have, and it's not really expensive. Annual package is only $249. We were planning to make it more expensive than that, but so many members they requested to keep it affordable so everyone can have it. So that's our methodology, that we are actually do a lot like massive sales for really affordable price, so everyone can benefit, and also will be affordable to many people who, even those who have a small account, they want to grow it. So let's say if you have $1,000, $2,000 account and you want to work slow on it and you want to grow it using the system, then you will have the chance instead of going to pay too much money, So that's the main reason for that one. Okay, it's gonna give you here. Okay, Euro franc is a sell. Euro Japanese yen is a really nice sell. USD-CHF, just avoid this one. USD-GBY, also avoid that one. Pound dollar, pound Japanese yen. See, Euro yen is really nice sell, minus 3.7, and probably pound also. Pound Japanese yen here also. Pound Japanese yen is minus 2.4. So this beautiful, guys, beautiful. You can see the Euro is the weakest index right now, and Canadian is really strong. So EuroCAD is, and Japanese yen is super strong, guys. So we're selling everything against Japanese yen except the franc. So I hope this makes sense. It's really easy, guys, to trade with this system. It's amazing, which is beautiful system. Euro is coming down nice. So our target's right here, this little box, guys. I'm just gonna put this here. So you're so we're looking at the 120 level. So 120, from 120 to 123 entry price, so about 300 pips, guys, falls, which is really nice sell. Beautiful. So EuroCAD is going in the channel. And when you know the strengths of the Euro and the strengths of the CAD, you would expect the structure, how does it look like? If it's going to be a super trend like we expected here last week, or it's going to be ranging, it's going to be reversing, you can really draw what expected, and many times it will be just typical. So that's the way we trade, guys. We just like you take a small frog in the school. I never like this. I never attend those kind of classes. I was always in math. So and you just keep cutting it small pieces, autonomy and stuff. So that's what we do for the currency. We're gonna take the euro index and we're gonna do analysis for itself, and we're gonna take the CAD and do analysis for itself. Then we're gonna combine both of them together, and we're gonna see the weight of that one against that one. Then we're gonna see the result, and according to the result, we're gonna be able to draw the future, which is something really, really unique if you look at it this way, that you actually forecasting what's gonna happen in the future, and you get probably about 80% accuracy, and you can predict where the big movement is going to be before it does happen. Not anyone can tell you, this did bounce from support, it did come from resistance, it did bounce back, double top, triple top, all that stuff. Everyone can say that. But actually drawing something for the future, expecting the future, is a lot harder, because you take a lot of political effect into it. You take a lot of see guys, isn't that beautiful? We expected the gold to reverse because the stock is gonna come down. So look at this tricky thing. It's super tricky. It's like amazing tricky, So watch out for this one. It's tricky. It may, if the stock market is gonna continue down. Watch out, the gold is gonna be extremely, extremely volatile this week, because the Feds are gonna make the gold is really volatile. It can break to either 1780 or go down 1550. So the gold is waiting a massive move this week, and also the next 1 or 2 weeks after that break is gonna continue. So watch out, the gold is gonna be breaking to either upside or the downside. So there is gonna be a breakout in the gold this week, and silver. Okay guys. So Andrew saying here, I'll be buying your VSA market scanner next week. Perfect, thanks Market. Thanks Andrew, I hope it worked out for you good. And you can see all the life we bought. So we actually deliver exactly what we show here, guys. Exactly what you see. We even help the clients to install the system for them in their website. And also we keep adding new systems, guys. You keep checking the website. Like even yesterday, our software engineer, he added a new system. Because now we're just waiting, we don't really do anything about the chart itself. We can look at the website just to show you guys some of the new stuff has been added. Okay guys, so in the website, if you go down here, that's our website, Fxmarketstrategy. If you come down here, so those are the trading systems. So APCO and ABC, the most used for us. This advanced gravity is just the one I'm using for the US30 right now. This is really giving you the expected take profit area, and when you reach the top of the channel with a high momentum, possibly you want to take profit and get out. So it's really cool. Also it's good in trading euro dollar, especially for ranging market. So really, if you want to see something is ranging up and down, then this system will be working good for ranging market. Okay. VSA power meter, this is quantitative analysis, very smart money ways, one of the best ways to scan the market, and gives you indication. It will give you the safe haven stuff, if the market is lining up or not. So if you can see the franc and Japanese yen are going up, so there is risk in the market. You should be straight. You should see Australian, New Zealand, Canadian coming down. At that time, probably gold is gonna go up with them. Stock market probably is gonna come down. Excuse me, guys. Should grab some water. So really, the market scanner is not only about you what to buy, what to sell. It's about understanding the market and knowing if it does make sense or not. So if I go one day and I found the franc in the extreme right and Japanese yen in the extreme left, I will not trade this market. I want to see the franc and Japanese yen to the left together, or I want to see the franc and Japanese yen to the right together. This will make a lot of sense. I won't see Australian news and Canadian together, either to the right side or to the left side. This is going to give me a strong indication that the stock market going up or down, the gold is going up and down. So really, the power meter is the weight or the scale of the market. One look at this, I can tell you probably about 30 charts how they are moving. Okay, even the stuff is not listed here because the market is linked through correlation. So even if I don't see this, once I saw today is the franc and Japanese yen going up, so safe havens are going up, and I saw the gold is coming down. I told you watch out, the gold probably is gonna follow franc and Japanese yen, and no time, within 1 hour you can see the gold starting going up with them. So really it's just letting you know how the market is correlated to each other and lining up, and the more time you spend with it and understand different sessions and different markets and the different correlation, you're gonna get really expert with it. You're gonna be trading very good. All the updates is gonna be done to this, guys. You don't have to pay for it. There is no hidden fees by any means. So really honest up to this point. Some other websites they're gonna say, you know what, sorry, it's expired, they have to get update. The same thing happened to me. I was on one website for some software. It's not that stuff, but another software. They say, oops, it's expired now, like because the new updates in MetaTrader does not support this and that, and you have to pay again. I had to pay because I like the software, but really we don't do that. Once you're subscribed to one of the plans, you're gonna get full time, all the updates are free. Any new system added is also free. If you get here, indicators and panels, this trend analyzer dashboard, so guys, we can show this one. I have not shown you this one much. Just after we finish here, I'm gonna show it to you guys. Retracement panel is gonna show you the, if you click on this one, just you're gonna be able to see some photos and stuff. So guys, what's good about this one? You look at this one right here. Oh, sorry. Sorry guys. Sorry, by mistake I accidentally hit the X button here. Did close. Here, we're back. I just have to make it a little bit bigger. Here. So if you look at this, what does this do? It's gonna scan the market fully for you. It's gonna tell you what's monthly trend is, what's weekly trend is, what's daily trend is, and H4 and H1 and everything for all these pairs. So this market scanner is a little bit different to the VSA. Okay, this will give you a full technical analysis. It will take in consideration ADX, MACD, moving average, stochastic, RSI, SAR, momentum, WBR. So really, it will take the very heavy indicators that most of traders use, and they will combine all of them together with a specific adjustment to each one, unique optimized numbers. It's gonna give you the trend in each one of them. Then it's gonna give you the sentiment on the right side here. So really, if you combine this with the VSA and our ABC and APCO, you can plan ahead of time, long term or much time ahead, that what is really going to be good for long term. So let's say the euro dollar, this is old, this screenshot has been taken at the time the system was uploaded, so this will not apply to the present situation. But I'm just giving you an example. If the monthly euro dollar is down and the weekly is down, and you see the 4-hour time frame is up, so this is a big correctional signal in the 4-hour time frame. Again is the monthly trend. So once you finish this one, you want to join the sell again with the main trend. So you will know I'm taking a correction 4-hour time frame in a monthly trend. Once I finish it, I'm gonna join the sell. So it will help you to plan your trades according to the big trends, which will make it really good. So that's a beautiful system. I have not showed you guys in the analysis how to use it a lot, so I will be focusing a little bit more. But really, this is our software engineer, he's specialized in this quantitative analysis work, so really is good in this stuff. So we are introducing smart money ways, guys, to the market, not the really standard, just the technical analysis purely, because you still need the secret recipe. The secret recipe is this stuff, the smart money, how you can manage smartly, how can you find the trend and join very quickly, all that stuff. Okay guys, so this one of the ways you can see that one. Okay, after this one, so this is just another time, different photos. It's gonna tell you what's going on in each currency in the multiple time frames. So really, if you swing a trade and you wanna go with the monthly and 4-hour time frame, if you want to scalp, everything is available right here. Also, it's gonna give you numbers. It's gonna tell you which one is strength, which one is really strong at what time frame. So it's really good. It's smart money by very smart way. It's gonna give you a sentiment here. So it's beautiful stuff, guys. Okay, you also can use like arrows up or down, or you can use numbers. Okay, so it's really good. So it's beautiful system. This is smart ways of doing trading, guys. We're using the smart ways in doing trading. Okay, really we've been blessed with very smart software engineers, and they're working with us, so they're beautiful. This is stochastic, guys. If you're into this currency indices, this is free, guys. If you wanna download it, also it's free. So really we put some free stuff also, so people can try the service and try our stuff, then they can join premium later on. Some people will continue in free, which is, you guys are most welcome also if you can't afford it or something. So percentage channel, this is the one I use all the time. It's gonna tell you how much percentage in each map or each chart. So it's pretty cool. So if you see something did raise 2% in this month, you keep the eye and it start going down, you can sell it. This Forex calendar I don't use a lot, but it's really nice, guys. It's beautiful. Forex calendar is gonna tell you the coming news. It's really nice. RSI, just typical stuff, but cool stuff with color and stuff. Pivot points, you guys, if you wanna use this one. This is Asian HL breakouts, you can try that one if you want. For Fibonacci auto Fibonacci levels. Chart info panels is really nice one. Okay, it's good. So you guys, we're gonna be adding more indicators here. Okay, so probably within every 2 weeks or something, we're gonna be adding one. So our software engineers all the time working and developing and adding new stuff to the website, which is increasing the value for you. Once you're a member, you're gonna get all the extra stuff for free. Some expert advisory. This one is not expert. This is, you can trade live with it, or you can backtest stuff, guys. This works really nice for backtesting. You will use it for backtesting. I have one video previously uploaded to the channel about backtesting, so this is really nice. Okay guys, just here I have to answer through my phone because this is it's blacked out in my computer. I have to answer the chat from my phone. Dave. So for Dave here's asking if the market scanner comes with training. We provide training for the annual package. So you guys, if you get the annual package, is gonna be the best because you're gonna be paying like just only $20 plus small something for monthly. But if you take the monthly payment, it's like close to $50. So it's really affordable if you take 1 year. So for the who's gonna sign up for the 1 year, we have also training, which is really nice training for that one. Later on, this training is gonna be part of the course we're gonna be providing, but it's really useful stuff. It's gonna show you how to trade that stuff Also it's gonna give you a really nice market overview. So it's gonna be helping you to put you on track. It's not a full massive course, but is a very useful conclusion. It's gonna be very benefit for you guys, and it's gonna show you how to use the system and all that stuff. So don't worry about this. We also, the annual package comes with an installation assistance, and it comes with this course and how teach you how to use it. So don't worry about all that stuff. You guys who also got the system from us before, you can show the kind of support we give. So we give extreme kind of customer support, and in our company, this is one of the good things. Also, we focus on getting a lot of live, so we can show also how can you use the system, what would be potentially a good trade and all that stuff. So this is part of the support we're giving, and the live trading sessions we're making, it's also part of the support for our members, and also showing the other people who are enjoying it, that how the system works and how our members are using it. How does our system, our website works? It's like Netflix, guys. So once you subscribe to the website, you will have access to everything for free. So you just do one payment, let's say the $249 for plan 1 year. You can access anything in the website. Everything will be accessible just like Netflix. You don't have to pay anything for anything else. So I have Dave here asking if there is a deal for Advanced Profit Cloud plus VSA. You're gonna get everything for free, bro, once you subscribe to one of the plans. That's one really good, unique thing about our website. So many other websites, competitive websites and stuff, what they will do, they will charge you for every single system by itself. Okay, then you have to keep adding this one 300 and this 200 and this 500, just like that. In our system, no, it's like Netflix. Once you subscribe to one of the plans, you have a free access to everything. Okay, perfect, Dave. You're most welcome. Please let me know if once you get the package, then we can help in installation and explain to you how does it work and all the support. Okay guys, so quickly if we finish this one, so this is really good for back testing, guys. I can probably show you guys how to back test it now, or we can do it later day, you know, just this has been going for long, so it's probably good to relax everyone and have some. Okay guys, so if you go to the next one here, this works like a recovery zone expert advisor. I need one full session to explain how to use it and stuff. This is moving average expert advisor, so if you wanna, you know, backtest some strategies and stuff. This is alligator expert advisors and fractal breakout stochastic RSI Ichimoku trader. Okay, breakout to moving. You guys can see a lot of stuff is free here. Not everything is premium. A lot of stuff is free. Like out of this, we have maybe like 14 things, only about 4 or 5 premium, and the rest is free. And one of our things is we put a lot of free stuff, which is also still good. Is like we don't put only. We try to get all the good stuff only in our website, and many of them will be free, and some stuff we're gonna be premium. Of course, like something like the VSA is gonna be premium, of course, because this is the main thing. So really we want to give traders to see the products and try it out a little bit. Then you can see the online with the VSA, then you can join if you would like, you know, to be in a successful team and members. Okay guys, I am just gonna end right here. It was my pleasure talking to you guys today. Please, if you do have any question, let me know so we can finish it up here. Okay guys, thanks. Okay, I'll see you guys later, and best luck in trading. Okay guys, thank you. Please make sure you trade safe. Don't take more than 1 to 2% risk in any trade. So this is really is gonna help you it's gonna help you in the long term. It's gonna make you really successful in the long term. So don't go gambling in one trade. Just say I'm 100% confident it's gonna go down. You go really big lot size, then you wipe your account. So really you don't wanna do that. Even the smartest hedge funds manager, they don't do that. They go only for 20% profit at the end of the year. So that's why they can hold too much in their trades, because they're not using big lot size. Okay guys, thank you and have a wonderful day. Best luck for all. Thank you for joining me. It was my pleasure. Okay, thank you. Goodbye. I'm just gonna end the stream right here and see you guys later. Okay, goodbye. Thank you. Just beautiful. This is working back here. Still a bit slow. Okay guys, thank you. Goodbye.